All right, hey everybody, back again at a client's house today here in Santa Rosa Beach, and she's actually a designer friend of mine who I do business with from time to time. And yeah, we're here at her place, about to go look at the wall, see what size canvas the wall needs, and figure out what colors we're gonna paint with. So yeah, come on, let's go check it out. All right, so actually already had the consultation with the client. So kind of recapping our back and forth on what she wants and her vision for this space in this wall, and kind of what I see for the space. I think we've come up with a concept that's going to be fun and different, and it's going to be out of the box for work that I get to do in this area because it's so coastal. There's certain color schemes that I just don't get to work with, and this is one of them, I would say. So should be fun. Again, this is the wall that we're going to be making artwork for. So think of a panoramic, except broken into 3 panels. So it'll be a triptych. However, instead of the taller format triptychs that you might have seen that I usually do, like the standard triptychs that I do, this is going to be more wide format. So it'll be different in that regard as well as color. So that's always good. Different is good. We're going to be pulling colors from everything in the room. A lot of the blues, all the shades of blues, some of the green, even some of this deeper purple, a lot of the stuff that's in the rug. Let's see. And then one of the tones that I don't really work with a ton of is copper and bronze. This is not quite copper or bronze, but very, very much the same tones that are in the wood here. So yeah, it should be interesting. Very moody is what we're going for. We're going for moody and bold. So yeah. Next up, we'll do some renderings to make sure we have the size locked in and perfect. Scaled renderings that are accurate. That's a must in this situation, because how bad would it be to make this beautiful piece of work and then it not fit on the wall? So yeah, we'll show that next. So the rendering is done. So yeah, it'll be this size. Color will be different, but this is mostly for size. It looks good. I'm excited. Let's go paint. Today is install day, the day we've been waiting for. So this wall is about to change. Yeah, I'm ready. You ready, Trent?
Always ready.
Let's do it. Done. What do you think? You like it? I think she's sexy. Different. Very different from what I usually paint. Dark, moody, different metallics. Do you like it? Tell us what you think. You want to see us paint more stuff like this, or do you like the lighter work? Tell us what you like. We would love to know. But yeah, turned out really good. Please make sure to share this video with your friends. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more. And yeah, see you next time.